Hi friend, I'm Myra with Vial Designs and I'm back with another video tutorial where I show you 5 ways to letter November in calligraphy. I've been doing these tutorials for every month of the year, so be sure to check the playlist that I'm going to leave in the description down below, as well as all the tools that we're going to be using. If you want the lettering worksheet that comes along with the video, be sure to get into my Creatives membership where I provide every month everything that you need to stay creative, so be sure to check the description for the link. Now let's go ahead and get started. The first way that we're going to be writing November is with faux calligraphy. If this is the first time that you're doing faux calligraphy, basically we're imitating the look of calligraphy using a regular pen. And as you can see, this video is real-time calligraphy, just to show you how slow you should be going when you're practicing your calligraphy. I say this all the time, but the slower you go, the better your letter forms are going to be, especially at the beginning. The good thing about faux calligraphy is that you can use any pen that you have handy. Right now, I'm using the acrylograph pens from Archer and Olive. And if you decide to treat yourself to any of the amazing stationery that Archer and Olive has, remember to use the code VD10 to save 10% on your order, at the same time that you support me and my work. The second lettering idea for November is with modern calligraphy using the Calligraph brush pens. And one thing that I wanted to show you about the Calligraph pens is that they are double-sided. On one end, they have this small tip, which is what we're going to be using for the worksheet, but they also have a large broad tip on the other side, which makes them perfect for small and large calligraphy. So again, for modern calligraphy, we're gonna go very slow, and as you can see here, every time my pen goes down, I apply the pressure to the brush pen, and I also make a small pause in between each stroke as I'm forming the letters, and this is gonna help you for letter consistency as well as getting those thin upstrokes and thick downstrokes. The next lettering style for November is bounce lettering, which is very similar to modern calligraphy, but in this one, some of the downstrokes of the letters are gonna be past the baseline. This makes this lettering style a little bit more playful, and as you can see, some of the letters are sort of like bouncing off the page. Moving on to the fourth lettering style idea for November is flourished calligraphy. And with flourished calligraphy, we're going to be adding these flourishes or like these embellishments to some of the letters. I think this lettering style is more elegant, so if that's what you're looking for in your bullet journal, this style will be perfect for you. Let me know in the comments which of the 5 lettering styles is your favorite and which you will be using in your bullet journal for November. Remember that you can have access to this hand lettering practice worksheet as well as over 100 other calligraphy lettering practice worksheets, step-by-step doodling printables, and video tutorials, all creative especially for you to help you stay creative. If that's something you might be interested in, I would love to have you inside the community. The last lettering idea that I have for you this November is block lettering. This one is one of my favorites because I combine lowercase with uppercase. I love the way that it looks. So if you want a different block lettering style, be sure to check out my channel where I show you all the different block lettering styles. You can also find other faux calligraphy videos as well as modern calligraphy for beginners. And in this next video that I'm going to show you, I give you even more creative lettering ideas for November. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.